Welcome to R1life. R1life is the key of success. At R1life, we are redefining the future of technology with our innovative solutions. As a leading IT and software development company, we specialize in creating powerful, efficient, and secure digital platforms. Our expertise spans across advanced software solutions designed to bring reliability and trust to the market. Our vision and mission. In today's digital world, many fall prey to scams disguised as investment opportunities. At R1life, we've taken a proactive stand against this alarming trend. Our expert team of developers has crafted an advanced crowdfunding platform focused on security, transparency, and sustainability. With our software, users can confidently invest, knowing their funds are protected and tracked with integrity. We aim to create a trusted, reliable space for secure digital investments. Join us in reshaping the future of ethical crowdfunding. At R1life, our mission is clear: to eliminate financial risks with a system where users don't lose money, to establish a scam-free platform backed by innovative technology, to empower individuals financially through a secure and structured crowdfunding model. Why choose R1life? Unlike unreliable platforms, R1life is built with a self-sustaining business model, ensuring that neither users nor the company face any financial loss. We firmly believe in ethical business practices, which is why there's no risk of funds being lost. Every transaction is secure and systematic. The company is here to stay. We don't operate on an exit strategy because our model is built for long-term sustainability. We bring real technological innovation. Instead of false promises, we provide a genuine and profitable system. Our commitment to you, at R1life, we are more than just a company. We are a movement towards financial empowerment and digital security. Our cutting-edge software is designed to protect, grow, and sustain wealth, ensuring that every participant benefits without fear of fraud or collapse. R1life operates on a 2-3 matrix system designed to maximize earnings while maintaining a transparent and secure structure. This system allows users to earn substantial rewards through a structured referral network, ensuring consistent and scalable growth. Rhine a 2 or 3 matrix, there are a total of 3 levels. Your pay line is the 3rd level, where you will earn money from 7 members. The last members in the matrix will be used for entry recycle, ensuring continuous earnings and reinvestment into the system. R1life 2x3 matrix earning profit structure. Invest 10s, profit 64. Invest 25s, profit 160s. Invest 50 $, profit 320. Invest $100, profit $640. Invest $250, profit $1,600. Invest $500, profit $3,200. Invest $1,000, profit $6,400. Invest $2,000, profit $12,800. Invest $4,000, profit $25,600. Invest $8,000, profit $51,200. R1life, 2x3, matrix board, $110. Earnings breakdown. First cycle earnings. Total earnings, $64. From the $64, $25 will be used for the automatic upgrade to the next matrix. $10 will be used to recycle your first matrix. The remaining amount will be automatically withdrawn to your wallet, second cycle and beyond. From the second cycle, you will earn a profit of $54 from each cycle. This pattern continues for all your subsequent matrices, providing consistent earnings and upgrades. 20% will go to the sponsor who invited, and 80% will go to the person in whose pay line the new member has joined. R1life compensation plan. Initial payment. To join the R1life board, you pay $10. Profit from the board, you can earn $64. First level, 2 users. 2 users will join the system at the first level. These 2 users can either join through your direct referral, sponsorship, or through your upline. Commission. If you directly sponsor a user, you will earn 20% of the payment they make. If the user is placed through your upline, the 80% goes to the person in your upline who sponsored them. Second level, users from first level. The same structure applies to the second level. If the user is part of your direct line, you sponsored them, or they were placed through you, you will receive 20% of their payment. The remaining 80% of the payment goes to the upline. Third level, 8 users. On the third level, 8 users will join the system, and you will receive payments from them. Commission: if you are the sponsor of these users, you will earn 20% from their payment. If someone else sponsors them, not you, the 20% commission will go to the person who sponsored them. Payline commission: first 3 users. You will receive payments from the first 3 users in the payline. You will get 80% from the first 3 users. From the 4th to the 8th users, payments from the 4th, 5th, 7th, and 8th users will contribute $40. Automatic upgrade: out of the $40 from the 4th, 5th, 7th, and 8th users, $25 will be used for an automatic upgrade to your next matrix. $10 will recycle your ID. The remaining $5 will be Go Your Wallet. Next cycle. In the next cycle, you will continue earning commissions from all the users in the system. If you have purchased the advanced Next Matrix, only $10 will be used to recycle your ID, and the rest of the amount will be available in your wallet for withdrawal. R1life 2x3 Matrix Board. R1life Board $25, profit $160. R1life Board $50, profit $320. R1life Board $100, profit $640. R1life Board $250, profit $1,600. R1life Board $500, profit $3,200. R1life Board $1,000, profit $6,400. R1life Board $2,000, profit $12,800. R1life Board $4,000, profit $25,600. R1life Board $8,000, profit $50,000.